Hello again everyone. So here's the weekly forecast for both gold and GJ. So currently on the daily, we see that price has continuously made higher lows, higher highs, but it still has not broken this consolidation area yet. So for next week, I'll be looking for price to actually come down into either one of these areas. So if it comes down, this was a weak break of the previous highs, so it might come down here, create another higher low before actually maybe either breaking this high or maybe creating another low high to come lower towards this 4-hour zone over here on the left, as you can see, and then creating another higher low before I take it up towards 1804. So that's the general idea right now on gold. So on GJ, currently we see price made a new high, came down, broke previous highs, still continuously making lower highs from here. So my next forecast for this week is I am short bias on this, so I'll be looking for price to actually head up towards this 1-hour zone here, and then potentially from there or this 4-hour zone above, I'll look for shots from either of these two levels here to come down in towards this 1-hour zone and potentially towards the 4-hour zone below. So these are some of the areas and key levels that I'll be watching out for if you'd like to make a mark on your charts. Next week ahead on news, we have Monday being a US bank holiday, so markets might be a bit slow and choppy on that. On Monday itself, trying to set up for the week ahead. Price action might only start moving on Tuesday, so go slow on Monday, trade safely. Then we have US PMI, followed by some FOMC news. It's quite a news heavy week. We have unemployment claims as well as Bailey coming on Friday as well. So just trade safe this week, go slow. No need to rush, the markets are always there.